Coaching is an effective way to increase productivity, employee engagement, and build strong relationships with your employees. Let's look at two different models for coaching employees. Let's start with the open model. Sometimes we end up disappointed that someone has not done what we expected, and we just don't know where to begin to have a tough conversation. We think that developing a script is a good starting point when you're planning to have an open dialogue with someone. The framework of the open dialogue is to observe, identify primary impact, explore solutions, and discuss next steps. When you observe, describe the situation in some detail. Be specific and be non-judgmental. Write down what you observed in your own words. Be factual, limit to one situation. What is the primary impact on work, on others? How important is it to you that the situation be different than it is? What will you say? Remember to use I language. Be prepared to start the conversation by sharing your observations and impact statements. In the explore step, ask yourself, what expectations weren't met? How are your expectations communicated so that the other person clearly understood what to do? Be curious and open-minded. What's the most respectful interpretation of events? What do you need to do to flex? Activate the listen, acknowledge, ask steps of the laugh model, including blending and backtracking. What will you say? How will you say it? Always remember your body language, tone, and choice of words. Now onto the last step, it's next steps. What will success look like? Be prepared to specify the change in behavior you want to see. What are the consequences if nothing changes? Plan where and when the conversation will take place. Planning is one thing, but actually having the conversation is another. Each model is built for different outcomes. As a leader, one of your more important roles is to coach your people to do their best. By doing this, you'll help them make better decisions, solve problems that are holding them back, learn new skills, and otherwise progress towards excellence. GROW is a positive approach to creating the stretch. GROW provides an easy-to-remember approach to conversations that help focus on excellent performance. The GROW approach focuses on feed-forward versus feedback. Use powerful questions versus telling to encourage thinking and insights from the employee. This requires a leader to actively listen, summarize, and synthesize what is heard. GROW stands for Goal, Reality, Options, and Way Forward. Coaching starts with establishing a goal. It could be a performance goal, a development goal, problem to solve, a decision to make, or a goal for the coaching session. Here are questions designed to help someone gain clarity on their goal. What do you want to achieve from this coaching session? What goal do you want to achieve? What would you like to happen with? What do you really want? What would you like to accomplish? This step in the GROW model helps you and the other person gain awareness of the current situation, really what's going on, the context, and the magnitude of the situation. The key is to take it slow and easy. It's not a rapid-fire interrogation. Let the employee think and reflect. Use active listening skills. This is not the time to be jumping to solution or to share your own opinions. Here are questions designed to clarify the current reality. Describe for me what is happening now, the who, the what, the when, and how often. Where are you now in relation to your goal? What has contributed to your success so far? What do you think is stopping you? What could you do better this time? Once you both have a clear understanding of the situation, the coaching conversation turns to what the person can do to reach their goal. Here are questions designed to explore options and/or generate solutions. What are your options? What could be your first steps? What do you think you need to do to get a better result or closer to your goal? Who else might be able to help? What would you happen if you did nothing? The last step in the GROW model is the way forward. In this step, the coach checks her commitment and helps establish a clear action plan for next steps. Here are questions to help achieve this. What is one small thing that you can do to get going? On a scale of 1 to 10, what is the likelihood of your plan succeeding? What would it take to make it a 10? What obstacles are getting in the way of success? What resources can help you? How will you know you've been successful? What do you need from me or others to help you achieve this? What are 3 actions you can take that would make sense this week? On a scale of 1 to 10, how committed are you to doing it? A coaching conversation hardly ever follows a nice, neat, sequential 4-step path. However, an arsenal of questions within the GROW framework gives managers the confidence needed to get started until it becomes a natural conversational flow, ebbing back and forth within the framework.